But yes, we are in Dollar General. We are in Dollar General today. And I came to see like they started putting the fall stuff out, and I see that they have. So let me change my video mode on here. But yeah. Oh, that's what they have so far. They got these little ghosts. Yeah. I mainly came to look at candles, which they're probably in the back somewhere. I'm gonna look in that direction. But look at the cups. Let me go this way. Excuse me. Let me go around this way. Look at that. Look at the cup. I am a cup girly for the holidays. It's a candle. And I'm a candle girly. That's the skull. It smells really good. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. Look how cute. That's so cute. We got some little patio chairs. Markers. What are you gonna do with those? Oh my goodness. That's look, she don't recognize you. She don't recognize you.
TT got TT baby.
That's your TT.
Look, cookie, look. Look, TT.
They done started putting the stuff out, y'all. Oh, look, all of that. That's cute. We haven't been in Dollar General in a while. But they got some cute little stuff. Huh? Girl. Oh. It's a tabletop decor. They got the candles over here. I want to see the mugs. Let's see what this is. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Look at that. Pumpkin decor.
Come on. Do like
That's $5.
There you go, girl. Okay. Do it again. Do another. I want to show Grandma. Oh, they got TT baby. I like the little shoes. Who got you there? They cute, girl. You look good. Say, oh my mama, oh my. I don't think I want to say. Which one you want now? Which one you want? Yep. There you go right here.
Look at that. That's cute.
Let me go get in the line so you will be able to open.
Oh, they got some mugs.
Okay. Don't you want to open?
That's cute. Look at that.
Well, here, I'm feeding you the money.
We got enough pumpkin mugs.
That's what it is.
Bowl fillers. Fall is in the air. It's cute. Yeah, it's cute, huh? It's a little pillow. It's a turkey.
Oh, the penguin.
It's a cute. That's a bird. A bird, yeah. Look at it. A little wood. They're $1. placemats. Oh, look at these. Oh, why not they cute? It's cute. Oh, is that a bluey cup? That is cute. Yeah, I don't think you need that. That little stuff cute. And some cute tumblers. $12. It's cute too. A coffee spoon. It's cute. What's that? These are coffee spoons. $1. If they were gold, that'd be cute. What is this? Is this the salt and pepper shaker? Oh my god. It's so cute. Look at this one. $3. Huh? It's a flower. Which one should I do? The pumpkin one? Or the pie? The pie is pretty unique. It's cute. That's cute. I think I'll do this one. That is cute. Look at this. I think it's like one of those butter dishes. Yeah, that's cute. It goes with that. I don't have butter that sits out though, but it'll be cute for decoration. Ceramic soup bowl. They have these, what do you call these? Lazy Susan. Interesting. One of those things they spin. I think that's pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty.
I like the little soup bowls. It's so cute. It's $5. $5. We got another one down here too. These are cute right here. We got mason jars down here, which I normally get my mason jars from Dollar General. See? You get a whole case of them. Those are $12 for 8 32 ounce. candles right here. I don't see one that I'm crazy about. So like for, let's see. Let's see how this one smells. Let's see how this one smells. Oh yeah, that one smells good. Yep.
That's the spray.
Yeah, that smells good. Let's see how much it is. $5. Which this one is shaped like a pumpkin. Look up there. They're not done putting everything out, I'm sure. Look, there's a tumbler and a sweatshirt up there. The tumbler is pretty big. It's pretty big. But I'm not crazy about it. So I ended up over here in the grocery aisle. I got me some cold coffee and a few other little frozen items, y'all. As you can see, this one was almost gone. I got one more. There's something else back there. So the stuff that be gone, I gotta pay attention to. Which I normally drink these anyways, but I kind of took a break on them. Let's see how many of these are there. The vanilla latte must not be all that good. They got a whole bunch of those. But okay, what else we need? I wish they had your oat milk here, but they don't. Why are you holding on to me? Come on, let's get the tea. The tea down here. Hey, come out of the road. I don't want to get ran over.